never feel like you understand the world, until science casually proves you don't. From time behaving strangely to your body being more alien than you think, these facts aren't just interesting, they'll mess with how you see reality. 1. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, but we can only see a fraction of it. 2. Most of the universe is invisible. Dark matter and dark energy make up approximately 95% of it. 3. If you fell into a black hole, time would appear to freeze for others watching you. 4. The universe has no center, it's expanding everywhere at once. 5. There are more possible games of chess than atoms in the observable universe. 6. A day on Venus is longer than its year. 7. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon weighs billions of tons. 8. There's a cloud of alcohol in space big enough to make trillions of liters of beer. 9. Jupiter has a stormed great red spot that's been raging for over 300 years. 10. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun. 11. Time moves slower near massive objects. This is called gravitational time dilation. 12. GPS satellites must adjust for time differences due to relativity. 13. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple places at once. 14. Observing a particle can actually change its behavior. 15. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you. 16. Your body contains more bacterial cells than human cells. 17. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. 18. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. 19. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days to avoid digesting itself. 20. You glow in the dark, just too faint for your eyes to see. 21. Everything you touch is mostly empty space. 22. Diamonds and graphite are both made of carbon, just arranged differently. 23. Water can boil and freeze at the same time under the right conditions. 24. Fire is actually a chemical reaction, not a thing. 25. You can't taste food without saliva dissolving it first. 26. Continents move about as fast as your fingernails grow. 27. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. 28. Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. 29. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. 30. A single bolt of lightning can power a home for weeks. 31. Your brain fills in blind spots in your vision without you noticing. 32. Memories aren't perfect recordings, they change every time you recall them. 33. You only see a tiny fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. 34. Your brain processes visuals faster than text. 35. Dreams can feel longer than the time you actually sleep. 36. Some bacteria can survive in space. 37. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 38. Tardigrades, water bears, can survive extreme radiation, heat, and even vacuum. 39. Plants can communicate with each other through underground networks. 40. Sharks existed before trees. 41. The internet weighs about as much as a strawberry in terms of electrons. 42. Scientists have teleported particles, quantum teleportation. 43. AI can now generate human-like speech, images, and ideas. 44. Your smartphone is more powerful than computers used for early space missions. 45. We can edit genes using tools like CRISPR. 46. You are made of atoms that were forged in stars. 47. There may be more universes beyond ours, multiverse theory. 48. Reality might not be continuous, it could be made of tiny chunks. 49. The past, present, and future might all exist simultaneously. 50. You've never actually touched anything, atoms repel each other before contact. Science doesn't just explain the universe, it reveals how strange it truly is. The deeper we look, the more reality feels like something out of science fiction. And the wildest part, we've barely scratched the surface. If even a few of these facts made you pause and rethink reality, imagine what we haven't discovered yet.